welcome back to my channel Steps Towards Success. Today's topic is forming greatest and smallest number. As we know, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all are the digits that we use to form any number. In the mathematics, we use all these digits. These are the digits that we use to form any number. If we are given the numbers 4, 8, 7, 2, 5 and 1. Suppose these numbers are given. तो हम यहाँ से इनसे बहुत सारे नंबर्स फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. सपोज 4, 8, 7, 2, 5, 1. दिस इज 8, 4, 2, 7, 5, 1. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 and so on. We can form many numbers from the given digits. But in today's topic, we have to form greatest and smallest number by the given digits. If we have to write greatest number formed by the given 4 digits. If we write the greatest number, we use the given digits in descending order. And in the descending order, we write the largest digit first. So here largest digit is 9. We will write 9. After the 9, largest digit is 4. Then we write 4. After 4, largest digit is 3. Then we write 3. And in the last 1. So the greatest number formed by given these digits is 9431. Likewise, smallest number formed by given digits. To write the smallest number, we use the digits in ascending order. And in the ascending order, we write the digits starting from smallest digit. So we will write 1 and after 1 the smallest digit is 3. So we will write 3 and after 3 smallest digit is 4 and in the last this is 9. So the smallest number is 1349. If we are given 7, 8, 0 and 2. If these digits are given and we have to find the greatest number, we will write the digits in descending order and here 7, 8, 0 and 2. Largest digit is 8, so we will write 8. After that, largest digit is 7. So we will write 7. After 7, 2 is the largest digit and in the end 0 is the smallest digit and we write it in the end. Now we will write smallest number of 4 digit. In the smallest number, we use the digits in ascending order. In the ascending order, first we use the smallest digit, that is 0, then 2, then 7 and in the last it is 8. But we see that this is not a number of 4 digit because in the starting 0 has no values and only we count 3 digits. So it is a number of 3 digit. But we have to write a 4 digit number. So what we have to do? Now we will replace the first 2 digit. We will write 2 here and after that we will write 0. So it will be 2078. Now 2078 is the smallest 4 digit number formed by given digits. Let's take an example of forming 5 digits number. If we are given 1, 2, 6, 7 and 9. These 5 digits are given. So we will write greatest 5 digit number. To write the greatest number, we use the digits in descending order, and in the descending order, first of all we write largest digit, and here we see that 9 is the largest digit, so we will write 9. After that 7 is the largest digit, so we will write 7. इसके बाद हम दे सकते हैं 1, 2 and 6. इनमें से लार्जेस्ट है 6 and after it 2 and in the last 1. So 97,621 is the greatest 5 digit number formed by given digits. If we write smallest number, 1 is the smallest digit, after that 2 and after that 6 and 7 and in the last 9 is the largest digit. So like this 12,679 is the smallest 5 digit number formed by given digits. If we are given 7, 2, 4, 0 and 3. These 5 digits are given. We write greatest number. We will use greatest digit first. So we will write here 7. After that 4 is the largest digit. After 4, 3 is the largest digit. And after 3, 2 is the largest, and in the end we will write 0. This is the greatest 5 digit number. Smallest number will be 0, 2, 3, 4, 7. You can arrange the digits like this in ascending order, but this is not a 5 digit number. So what we have to do? We replace the first 2 digit. It will be 2, 0, 3, 4, 7. Like this 20,347 is the smallest 5 digit number formed by the given digits.